and welcome back to another tutorial video of our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your Walmart employee account. If you want to get logged into your Walmart employee account, then this video is for you. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser of your choice and there search for one.walmart.com. Once you search for it, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, this portal is for associates and employees where you can see the schedule, pay stub, report and absence, GTA portal, time adjustment, total rewards and MSW supply chain. Now, as an employee, if you want to get logged into your account, tap on login button at the top right corner of your screen. And then you will be directly taken to its login page. Now here you have to type in your user ID and then you have to choose the country or the region, and in the next field you have to choose the location. If you choose store or club, then you have to enter store or club number in the next field. Now start off typing with the username. Now once you're done with typing in your Walmart employee account details, tap on sign in button. And once you tap on sign in button, if the credentials you have typed in are correct, then you will be successfully get logged into your Walmart employee account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your Walmart employee account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.